I wanted to make this Coco guitar video review for you guys because if your son or daughter is anything like my son, they love Coco. And when I got this for my baby boy, he was so amazed. He did not want to put this guitar down. He just kept playing with it, especially when he watches the movie. He has to have this guitar in his hands at all times. So I'm going to do a little review about it. We're going to get into the specs. And I might have a little virtual concert for you guys at the very end. So you have to stay all the way through this video to see that. Okay, so let's go with the top. So we do have the skull right here at the top. You do have the gold tooth right here. And then you also have a skull here. Okay, so one of the questions is, does this whole thing line up? And that is a no. Only the bottom skull lights up right here. So as you guys can see, once you hit the string, it lights up at the bottom. It kind of looks like it's all supposed to light up, but it's just that bottom side right there. Okay, so I do want to show you guys the on switch. So the on switch is right here, as you guys could see. If it's in the center, it is off, and then you have the low and the high volumes right there. I do want to point out at the very back end of it, this is for 3 AA batteries, so if it goes out at any time, you could replace it, and it did come with the batteries, so that was pretty cool. Okay, so now let's get into the strings so you guys could see what it sounds like. And it does advertise that there's 8 strings, but I'm not a guitar expert, but I did find 9 different strings. So what it is the first the bottom 4 strings, it all acts as one. So if you push it down is one, if you push it up it's another one, and then the top 2, all you do is push it down and that's a string. If you push it up, nothing happens. Okay, so it's down, and then that's down, and then that's up. So that's 3 right there. And then depending on what you're holding over here, you can see 3 buttons. So if you're holding this and you go down here, it's a different sound than just not holding at all and going like this. And then also, you know, you could hold the middle one. And then same thing with here. Okay, so that is what it sounds like. I did want to mention that it's 25 inches tall and it's 10 inches wide. So this is perfect for kids, and it is recommended for kids 3 to 7 years of age. So do keep that in mind. And I mean, I can't stress enough how much he loves this guitar and he loves watching Coco with it. So now I might give you guys a little concert. Sí señores, buenos días, buenas noches. Sí señores, buenos días, buenas noches. Remember me, though I have to say goodbye. Remember me. Un poco loco, I don't know the rest of the words to Un poco loco. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I definitely recommend this Coco guitar for your son or daughter.